Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect a landline phone to an Xfinity modem. First, make sure your Xfinity Voice service is active and that your modem is fully powered on. Check that the online light on the modem is steady. This shows that the device is connected and ready to support your phone service. Next, go to the back of the modem and find the port labeled Tel1 or Voice. This is the connection point for your landline phone. Now take your phone cord and plug one end into the Tel1 port on the modem. Then connect the other end to the line port on your telephone base. Make sure both ends are firmly connected so the phone can communicate with the modem correctly. After connecting the phone, restart the modem. Unplug the power cable from the wall, wait about 10 seconds, and plug it back in. Once the modem is back online, check the Tel1 light. Wait until it stops blinking and stays solid. A steady light means the voice service is active and ready to use. Thanks for watching.